If you are not tech savvy and you want to make videos that are aesthetic with a voiceover, this video is for you.
First, you're going to open Instagram and go to Reel. Once you go to Reel, you upload your things that you want to make sure to voice over. And once you go there, you go into the music node. Pick your song that you want. Then once you do that, or lower the volume of the actual camera and the song, that way the voiceover can be seamless. So we're going to go to voiceover, press that button as you record. And when you record, you'll be able to hear that back. Step one, this is how you do a voiceover. I think the best way for you to record your voiceover is if you make sure that that lower left pause button is on, and wherever you are ready, testing 1, 2, whenever you're ready to record your voiceover, you just press and hold that record audio button. As you see, you can put your voiceover, your actual song, and the camera audio. So this is where I'm going to lower the volume a little bit just so you hear the song in the background. This is how you do voiceover. This is the simplest way I would do a voiceover if you are not tech savvy or you don't want to download any more apps. Yes, there are apps like InShot and CapCut that will help you do the same thing if you want to download everything at once. Don't forget that you may not be able to put a fun song on here, so you can just do your normal voiceover and then go into TikTok or Instagram to add your song.
Don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this, and I'll see you in the next video.